how to make the students' grades visible, to basically to get rid of this invisible option on the gradebook so that they're all visible. So if you go to your gradebook and come down into the gradebook item here, click on the caret next to final calculated grade and go to enter grades. When you're in enter grades, scroll down, select all of your students here by clicking this box, and then click on the release unrelease button. You can check over here on the right to make sure that the released is all checked, and then save and close. Confirm yes. And then if you return to the gradebook, you'll see that everybody is now visible. I hope you find this helpful.